Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. If you're dead serious about protecting your family and your home, you're going to love what we've got for you today. We're jumping straight into the heavy-hitting world of tactical shotguns, those absolute beasts that bring raw, unbeatable stopping power when it matters most. Shotguns have earned their legendary status for good reason: sheer force, insane versatility, and that unmistakable presence. After weeks of research, range time, and double-checking every single spec and current 2025 price, we've put together the ultimate lineup of 8 absolute top-shelf tactical shotguns that truly cover every wallet size, every experience level, and every personal taste. Whether this is your very first defensive firearm or you're a hardcore shooter ready to level up your setup, this video is your complete guide to the very best options for keeping your castle safe. We're talking everything from ultra-compact bullpups to magazine-fed monsters that hold an arsenal, and we'll break down every feature, every pro, every con, and exactly why each one earns its spot on this list. So grab your favorite drink, kick back, and let's jump into these incredible home defense machines together. Kicking things off strong, we have the Escort Kel-Tec Bullpup, a pump-action masterpiece that proves you don't need to spend a fortune to get serious performance and insane maneuverability. Built by Hatsan in Turkey, this bad boy is available in hard-hitting 12-gauge, the softer-kicking 20-gauge, and even the super manageable .410 bore, so you can pick exactly the recoil level that fits you and your mission. It rocks an 18-inch barrel, yet keeps the total length down to a crazy tight 27.75 inches, perfect for sweeping hallways, climbing stairs, or working in any confined area inside the house. Thanks to its fixed cylinder choke, it eats buckshot and slugs without complaint, giving you total flexibility whether the threat is 5 feet away or across the room. You get a tough alloy upper paired with a rugged polymer lower that keeps unloaded weight right around 7 pounds. Light enough to move fast, but solid enough to take a beating. The integrated carry handle doubles as a rock-solid Picatinny optics rail and comes with flip-up iron sights already installed, meaning you're combat ready the second you open the box. That classic bullpup layout puts the action behind the trigger, so you keep a full-length barrel for maximum velocity while staying ridiculously short overall. At roughly $350 street price, it's hands down one of the most wallet-friendly tactical shotguns you can buy today, perfect for new owners or anyone who wants to keep cash in the bank for ammo and training. The tube holds 5 in the mag plus 1 in the chamber, a little lower than some of the capacity kings we'll see later, so fast reload drills are a must. Fresh 2025 reviews from places like Gun Digest love how reliable it runs as long as you give the friend a confident rack. Like any pump, limp wristing or short stroking can cause hiccups, but that's true across the board. Controls are straightforward with a simple crossbolt safety and a loading port that's moved rearward because of the bullpup design, but everything falls right to hand once you put a few boxes through it. Bottom line, if you're on a budget but demand a compact, dependable, and hard-hitting shotgun, the Escort Kel-Tec is an absolute winner, especially once you put in the range time to make it sing. Coming in hot next is the Genesis Arms Gen 12 PDS, a semi-automatic 12-gauge that basically stuffs AR-15 DNA into a shotgun and then takes it to the absolute extreme. This is premium tier gear all the way, starting with its ultra-short 5-inch barrel that officially makes it a short-barreled shotgun, meaning you'll need to deal with the NFA tax stamp, forms, and the usual waiting period before you can take it home. Without the optional fixed venom suppressor, it's roughly 20 inches overall. Slap the can on, and you're still only around 26 inches, insanely compact for room-to-room work. Magazine capacity is typically 5 plus 1 in 2 and 3/4 inch shells, though it can change depending on which Saiga-style mags you run. The genius reciprocating barrel system slashes felt recoil dramatically, and when that suppressor is mounted, blast and concussion drop to levels that won't destroy your hearing indoors, something you'll really appreciate when adrenaline is sky-high and ear pro isn't an option. It's built on a DPMS Gen 1 pattern lower, so every control feels exactly like the AR-15 you already know: free-float M-lock handguard, Hogue rubber grip, mil-spec trigger, and a PDW-style stock that keeps everything tight to the body. It even ships with an EOTech XPS 2-0 holographic sight already zeroed and ready to roll, huge when seconds count. You're looking at around $5,999. No question the priciest gun on today's roster, but you're paying for cutting-edge engineering and that coveted NFA status. The latest 2025 reviews, including Defense Review, rave about how smoothly it cycles and how the reciprocating barrel completely sidesteps the carbon buildup problems that plague most gas-operated shotgun platforms. Obviously, the big downsides are the price tag and the paperwork hassle, which will scare some people off. That said, if you're a true tactical gearhead who wants the lowest possible recoil, the quietest possible indoor blast, and you're already comfortable with the NFA process, the Genesis Arms Gen 12 PDS is a legitimate game changer for serious home defense, especially in apartments or dense neighborhoods where overpressure and noise are real concerns. Up third, let's roll out the icon itself, the Kel-Tec KSG, the pump-action bullpup that became an absolute legend after Keanu Reeves made it famous in John Wick. Launched back in 2011, this thing is still only 26.1 inches long with a full 18.5-inch barrel. Easily one of the shortest legal shotguns you can own without stepping into NFA territory. The feature everyone loses their mind over is the twin magazine tubes that give you a staggering 14+1 rounds of 2 3/4-inch shells or 12+1 with 3-inch magnums. A simple selector lever right behind the pistol grip lets you switch tubes on the fly, so you can instantly go from buckshot to slugs or less lethal rounds without ever changing mags. Pure genius in a fluid home defense situation. Spent shells dumped straight down out of the bottom, making it 100% ambidextrous for lefties or righties. And you get a 12-inch Picatinny rail up top, plus another 6-inch rail underneath for lights, lasers, foregrips, whatever you want. At 6.9 pounds empty, it's remarkably light, though full house 12-gauge loads definitely let you know they're there on the shoulder. The original early production guns had some feeding gremlins, but the current generation models, backed by fresh 2025 testing from Gun Digest and Palmetto State Armory, run flawlessly as long as you slam that pump home like you mean it. The crossbolt safety feels a little old school next to modern tank safeties, and if you do get a malfunction, clearing it means flipping the whole gun over, definitely something to practice. Street price sits right around $845 these days, and for that you're getting absolutely unmatched firepower in an ultra-maneuverable package. Throw on an aftermarket vertical grip or a good recoil pad, and you're golden. When you want the highest onboard round count money can buy without paperwork, and you're willing to train until the muscle memory is second nature, the Kel-Tec KSG is still one of the most dominant forces in home defense shotguns on the planet. Now let's roll into something seriously cool, the standard manufacturing SP-12 Compact, a pump-action 12-gauge that was literally built from the ground up to be 100% ambidextrous and insanely easy to wield. Rocking a 14.5-inch barrel and stretching just 26.5 inches overall, it slips right under the NFA radar thanks to that aggressive bird's head grip setup. Out of the box, you get 5+1 rounds of 2 3/4-inch shells, but it happily swallows full-size 3-inch magnums or those awesome 1 3/4-inch Aguila mini shells that can push capacity way up and turn the recoil into something even newer shooters can smile about. Everything feeds and ejects straight out the bottom, so lefties and righties fight over who gets to run it first. And you've got a full-length top Picatinny rail plus M-lock slots on both sides of the forend for lights, lasers, whatever you want to bolt on. There's even a handy hand strap on the pump to make sure you're slamming it home every time. At a featherlight 5.75 pounds unloaded, this thing feels like a toy until it reminds you it's a 12-gauge Dragon. Street price sits comfortably between $600 and $700, making it one of the sweetest mid-tier deals going. Older 2022 reviews from Athlon Outdoors and others still call it one of the most versatile shorties out there, though plenty of owners mention the mini shells like a little 200-round break-in before they run 100%. If you want a super light, fully customizable, truly ambidextrous shotgun that looks like it came straight out of a sci-fi movie, the SP-12 Compact is an absolute home defense beast that's tough to top. Up next is a unicorn you don't see every day. The SRM Arms 1216, a roller-delayed blowback semi-automatic 12-gauge that looks and operates like nothing else on planet Earth. It packs an 18.5-inch barrel into a package that's only 33.75 inches long, shorter than most classic hunting pumps, yet it still brings the thunder. The absolute star here is the detachable quad-tube revolving magazine. For separate tubes, 16 rounds total, for 2-inch or 3-inch shells per tube. Flick a lever and you instantly rotate to a fresh tube loaded with different ammo, buck, slug, less lethal, whatever, or just pop the whole magazine out and slap in a new one for stupid fast reloads. Rails run top and sides. Every control is fully reversible for left or right hand use, and the roller delayed system tames recoil so you can stay on target and hammer follow-ups. At 7.25 pounds, it's easy to swing around the house all night if you have to. These used to sticker around $1,800 new when the company was still cranking them out, and current 2025 reviews still say they run great as long as you feed them quality ammo and keep things lubed. The catch? The magazine is complex and takes real practice to run fast under stress. If you're the type who dreams about a 16-round, semi-auto, switch-on-the-fly shotgun that can handle literally any situation you throw at it, the SRM 1216 is straight-up legendary, even if finding one today means hunting the used market. Let's keep the momentum going with two absolute legends from a company that's been building battle-proven pumps for longer than most of us have been alive. The Mossberg 590R and its mag-fed brother, the 590RM. Both roll with 18.5-inch barrels and stretch roughly 38 to 40 inches depending on how you set the adjustable stock. The standard 590R sticks with the classic tube that holds 6+1, while the 590RM steps into the modern age with double-stacked detachable box magazines that go 5, 10, all the way up to 20 rounds for lightning-fast reloads when seconds count. Either way, you get that famous ambidextrous tang safety, a full Picatinny top rail, Magpul MBUS flip-up sights on a lot of configurations, a built-in heat shield, Magpul furniture front to back, M-lock slots for lights and grips, and QD sling points so you can carry it comfortably. At about 7.5 pounds, they're rock solid without being boat anchors. Current street prices have the 590 are around $1,085 and the mag-fed 590RM at about $1,190. Totally worth it for the extra flexibility. Fresh 2025 feedback is glowing. Shooters love the AR-like controls, bomb-proof construction, and how fast you can top off with a fresh 10 or 20-round mag throw on an optional breaching brake. And you've got a do-it-all tool that's equally at home defending the hallway or stacked up on a door. When you want proven Mossberg reliability mixed with every modern tactical upgrade imaginable, the 590R and 590RM are impossible to beat. And now, for everyone who just wants the absolute best and doesn't feel like spending months tricking something out, say hello to the Langdon Tactical 1301 Blackout. This is a fully customized Beretta 1301 Mod 2 semi-auto that Ernest Langdon and his crew turned into the ultimate out-of-the-box defensive shotgun. You're looking at an 18.5-inch barrel, overall length right around 37 to 38 inches depending on stock adjustment, and a buttery smooth 7+1 capacity with 2-inch shells. It ships ready to fight. Langdon's famous trigger job, Magpul Zhukov stock, Super Duty ghost ring sights, fastback optic mount, LTT heat shield with built-in cable routing, enclosed Holosun 509T red dot, Streamlight ProTac HLX weapon light with tape switch, Vangcomp side saddle holding spare rounds, and a Magpul MS-1 sling with QD swivels. Literally everything you need and nothing you don't. At 6.7 pounds, it's shockingly light and points like an extension of your body. Price floats between $2,500 and $3,000 depending on the exact package, and every single 2025 review calls it the smoothest, fastest, most ergonomic defensive shotgun money can buy. The blink gas system cycles faster than you can pull the trigger, the dot and light make low light work trivial, and spare ammo is always right there on the gun. If you want a true grab-and-go premium semi-auto that performs like a $5,000 custom build the second it leaves the safe, the Langdon Tactical 1301 Blackout is hands down one of the finest home defense shotguns on the planet right now. Next up is a total sleeper hit that keeps blowing people away in 2025. The Panzer Arms BP-12, a semi-automatic Bullpup 12 gauge that delivers legit performance for pocket change money. It runs a full 20-inch barrel but still keeps the overall length down to just 30.7 inches, giving you great velocity without the awkward swing of a traditional long gun. You get detachable box magazines holding 5+1 rounds, and most packages now ship with 2 or 3 extra mags right in the box, so you can reload in seconds. Out of the crate, it's loaded with goodies. Full-length top Picatinny rail, flip-up polymer sights, a folding adjustable shoulder stock, non-reciprocating side charging handle, fully ambidextrous controls, and a manual gas regulator, so it'll happily cycle everything from light target loads to the heaviest 3-inch buck. Yeah, it tips the scales at 8.4 pounds, a little chunkier than some Bullpups, but when it's ringing in at around $520 on the street, it's honestly ridiculous how much gun you're getting. Older 2021 reviews already called it shockingly accurate and easy to run. The only real complaint you still see is the 8-10 pound trigger, which drops to a very respectable 4 to 5 pounds with a cheap aftermarket spring kit. Lefties love it, righties love it, and because every side has rail space, you can turn it into whatever you want. If you've always wanted a fast-shooting, magazine-fed Bullpup but didn't want to spend $1,000, the Panzer BP-12 is hands down one of the smartest buys on the market right now. And wrapping up our main lineup with something completely different. Say hello to the Black Aces Tactical Pro Series L, the lever-action 12-gauge that's bringing cowboy soul into the 21st century home defense game. You get a proper 18.5-inch barrel, 39 inches overall with the full shoulder stock, or a super maneuverable 30 inches when you run the bird's head pistol grip version, all while staying 100% NFA-free. Capacity is a solid 6+1, and the feature list is way longer than the price suggests. Lightweight aluminum receiver, tough synthetic furniture with a thick recoil pad, checkered grip and fore end, sling studs front and rear, and real Benelli mobile choke tubes, so you can go from cylinder to full choke in seconds. At only 6.4 pounds, it shoulders fast and points like a dream, perfect when things go bump in the night. Current street price is hovering right around $399, and the latest 2025 reviews call it flat-out fun, scary effective, and one of the best just works options out there. The oversized lever loop is glove-friendly. The action is buttery smooth once you put a couple hundred rounds through it. And yeah, it's not quite as fast as a semi-auto on follow-ups, but with a little practice you'll be running that lever faster than most people work a pump. Add the hooded front sight and the choke options, and you've got real flexibility from hallway distances all the way out to the backyard if you ever need it. If you want something classic that still feels fresh, ridiculously affordable, and genuinely enjoyable every time you touch it off, the Black Aces Pro Series L is an absolute gem. So there you have it, 8 killer tactical shotguns that truly cover every budget and every mission. The Escort Bull-Tac for the budget kings, the insane Genesis Gen 12 PDS for the NFA crowd who want the quietest, softest shooting monster money can buy, the legendary Kel-Tec KSG when you need more rounds than anyone else in the room, the ultralight ambidextrous standard SP-12, the Unicorn 16-round SRM 1216, the bulletproof Mossberg 590R and mag-fed 590RM, the no excuses Langdon Tactical 1301 Blackout for those who want perfection straight out of the box, the crazy value Panzer BP-12 for semi-auto Bullpup fans on a budget, and the pure fun Black Aces lever action when you want to be a little different for under $400. Every single one of these brings its own flavor of awesome to the table. So tell me down in the comments, which one is jumping out at you right now? Is it the Capacity King KSG, the Gucci Langdon, or are you secretly in love with that lever action cowboy vibe? Drop your pick, smash that like button if you enjoyed the video, hit subscribe and the bell so you never miss another breakdown, and we'll see you in the next one. Stay armed, stay trained, and stay safe out there, folks. Catch you soon.